Sa snake guys. Ilaag na ko. Sus, nakapumama ko sa kapwa ko. Biyak ka. Sabon. Ano na dyan din? For a view, sightseeing. So, we're now going to become a tourista for a while. You may take a nap there, Tom. Yeah, you are have a jet lag.
It's okay for the first half of the day. Me and Matthew started dancing.
You dancing, Tom?
Well, I can't dance very good. And that song moved too fast. Matthew, get down.
Siya magalit si Matpeo, sayaw.
Really good dancing there.
Sayas no do. Muling ko tumas kay bira ko maninga. Di mo na palingkod di ko sayaw. 1, 2, 3, smile. Beautiful. Yan, nindot kayo siya. The center of the brand. Come here, later we.
Oh, yes, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Go. Be careful. Okay. You order dive. Ako like alay.
We're gonna have to do the teacher thing. You look like it.
Dali na magkidala. Si Jet, dali na magkidala. Oh. Lang Jet bag, sa Ramindo. Cafe ano siya dito sa Negros Oriental. Hindi ka siya. Pangito ang ulan. The rain just stopped a while ago. And still have sprinklers. Sprinkling the rain. But the view is so freakingly nice. That there is the electric power. Electric power that they get from the volcano somewhere. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Giselle at your service, and this is Tom. Oh, you have to talk like that's English. You talk.
Go ahead.
No, that's bad.
You're doing good.
You have also to share your knowledge like that, and you have also to share what you see here. Right, guys? What do you think? So, what can you say about this place here?
Seems nice.
And then, how have you been here?
Second time.
Wow, second time, guys. Yeah, so we went here before as well. But the good thing before was that it doesn't rain. But today, this time, it's already raining, and it's wet everywhere. And yeah, but the rain now suddenly stops. So this time. And what else? What else? We share. You see a lot of freaking.
Just show them the place.
And
It looks good.
then there's a lot of also different people like tourists here, so which is nice. And the place is also peaceful and
Yeah, it's good for selfies
selfies.
and videos.
What else? Salag na tabuk man ako but
Oh, that steam
yan
looks
sa sila
nice.
ba? The stimulus lang. So they're there.
Yeah.
What? I'm going to take out my freaking eyeglass. So
I
that
like
way,
the glass.
guys, will not going to think that I am a teacher. By the way, I'm not a teacher. I'm just a
She plays.
helper. I'm gonna show you what else is at our back. So that's the front there.
With the,
There's the nest.
with the rain going, it looks really cool out there. So,
Like when you talk to me, sometimes you're doing like that,
yeah.
like that ba? Okay, maradyo siya og mapalit. Sabah. Maradyo siya og mapalit. It costs 1,947, guys. Oh no! For the full tank.
Okay.
For today's latest price of the gasoline. That's a regular thing. The other side is a diesel. So yeah, diesel, regular.
Oh, it's kind of good.
Full tank na siya, guys. Full tank. So yeah. Wow, welcome home, Tom. Well, ticket. We're now here to cut because he missed this kind of cake here in the Philippines. And yeah, it's here. So for a welcome home cake, welcome home. So that's it. Let's eat everyone. Mga unta ninyong tanan aning cake. Oh, let me kayo guys. So let's go. Kapalingon na jud. May gani wa mapaling. Kay kapalingon na jud unta to. So mao na siya. Mga unta para ni Makbi. Makbi. Okay. Kaon daghan natin wasa na imuhang bahin ha.